Hello friends, welcome to another Resolve tutorial video. In this video, I will introduce you to a tool called Shadow Copy View, which allows you to list the snapshots created by Windows Volume Shadow Copy service for your hard drive using the free Shadow Copy View program. Shadow Copy View is free software that you can use freely at home or in your company. This software works on computers running Windows, making it one of the best applications you can use on your computer. Shadow Copy View includes a version of each snapshot, file, and folder from the date the snapshot was created, allowing you to browse through older versions of your files and folders. It also allows you to optionally copy them to a folder on your disk. It is very easy to use. Let's get started right away. Open the Google search engine and search for Nearsoft Shadow Copy View. Go to the nearsoft.net website from the results and download the free Shadow Copy View program. You can find the links related to the ones mentioned in this video in the description below the YouTube video. The first thing you need to do is download the correct version. I am using a 64-bit Windows computer, so I will click on the Windows 64-bit version. If you are using a different operating system, it is important to download the appropriate version. Shadow Copy View also supports other languages. After downloading the program, extract it from the zipped file and open it by double-clicking. In the appeared window, you will see a list of the snapshots created by the Volume Shadow Copy service for your hard drive on your Windows system. I'm leaving the link where you can download the program for free in the description of our video. Don't forget to like the video if it helped you. Subscribe to my Resolved channel for more informative and tutorial videos. Thank you very much for watching.